channel. My name is Prakhar and today I will teach you Python from scratch. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language which was developed by Guido van Rossum and in the year 1991. It came before Java and it is very easy. Even a rookie can easily understood this language. So, why we need to learn Python? Python is used in web development. Python is used in machine learning. Using Python, you can develop an app. Using Python, you can make any games. Using Python, you can many number of things. So, how to install Python? Let's see. In Google, you have to search Python. It will come and Python, python.org, and you have to download it. Then you have to click on downloads and then you have to download Python 3.8.2. Then it will download here. It's just 25.3 MB size, very small size. You can easily afford this. And after downloading this, you have to open this and you have to run this. Since I have already installed, what you have to do, you have to add Python 3.8 to path and then click on install now and then it will install on your system. It will take some time. Okay, so it will install Python ideally. After you install it, I'm canceling because I've already installed in my system, but if for your concern I will install it. Okay, then here you will have to click yes. Then setup process will done and it will install. I'm canceling because I've already done it on my system. What you have to do after this? This is cancelled because I've done this. You will get this setup file and all things here, and now after installing, you have to go for ideally, and you have to click on the ideally, and then it starts. Let's write some. Okay, let's see some operators in Python. In Python, it means in basically in every language you see some plus operator, minus operator, subtraction means float division. Okay, in Python you will first get float division. What is float division? We will talk later, but we will see some operators and its operation. So you know this assignment operator, you are assigning the value to in A. Then, oh sorry for this, A equal to 2, and if you print A, it will print 2. Like if you want to add two numbers, 2, you can directly give 2 plus 3, 5. If you want to subtract two numbers, it gives negative also, -1. So if you want to add two numbers, we will put this value in the variable. Like if you want to add 5 plus 6, you will first put 5 in A and 6 in B, and you can add these numbers. You can do it directly also. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, but I am telling you for the further use. Like A equal to 2, B equal to 3, A plus B, it is even 5. If you want to do subtraction, now if you write A minus B, because A has 2, B has 3, it will give -1 because it has stored the previous value of A and B. If you want to multiply A star B, means you are multiplying, then it will give 6. Then if you want to divide, means A divided by 2, it is even 0. Is modulus A modulus 2. It's not divide, sorry for that. It's modulus A modulus 2 equal to 0. If I want to divide two numbers, then A divide 2, it is given 1.0. So why is given 1.0? because it Python always assumes that the number will come in the floating points. So it gives the numbers in floating point number. If you get the numbers in floating point, it's great. But if you're not getting the number in floating point, then it will give in float. Sorry, in decimal format while dividing. Then we are topic of float division. A 2. It will always give quotient. If you are doing a float division, you can denote float division by double slash. And if you are doing float division here, you will get only quotient, not remainder, and not the decimal part. Okay. Now we'll move towards a simple program. Okay, can I show you more things? Plus, minus, divide, uh, modulus. Okay, I will show you one more thing. How to print simple interest. But so what is simple interest of in general? It's principal into rate into time by 100. So I told you that if you have to assign some value, then you have to give a variable p equal to 4, q equal to 3, r p into r into t. Sorry. Here, I will give it again. P equal to 4, then r equal to 2, and t equal to 3. Okay, and si equal to, if you want to give bracket or not, it's on you. P star r star t by p into r into t by 100. And if you print si, it will give in 0.24. So see, this is for simple interest. So that's all for the introduction part. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the further videos.